Alright, thank you very much. Today we are still looking at Igbo language. For those of you that want to learn how to speak Igbo or master the art of Igbo people. So we'll look at mmebe ụbara na asụsụ Igbo. Mmebe ụbara na asụsụ Igbo, which means pluralization in Igbo language. Pluralization in Igbo language. Okay? Let's look at ụzọ esi emebe ụbara n'asụsụ Igbo. Ways of forming plurals in Igbo language. Okay? So pluralization is a process of making a singular person or thing more than one. The ways Igbo people do or form plurals are different from the ways they are done in English language. So that's why we are here. So look at the way we do form our Igbo language. Now, we form our Igbo language, we form our plural through the use of plural pronouns. That is, site n'iji nnọchiaha ụbara. Okay? The plural pronouns. We have the plural pronouns as anyị, that is we or us. Unu, that is what? You. Unu, that is what? Unu, that is, their place they wrote it you. Ge could be you as well. The next one is ha, that means they, them, or theirs. Okay, unu could means what? If we can put it in sentence, you people, unu, you people, or all of you, or all, unu, all, as long as you are referring to human being. So you have the examples here. Anyị is the plural of or mu. Anyị is the plural of what? Mu. So mu is singular to what? Anyị. Let's make sentence. Anyị nwere akwụkwọ. We have books. The next one. Enwere m akwụkwọ. I have book. So is singular, while anyị is plural. The next example is unu is the plural maker of gi. Okay, of gi. Okay, look at the example there. Unu bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ. You are students. Ị bụ nwa akwụkwọ. You are a student. Okay, so you are students are plural, while you are a student is what? Singular. Alright, the next example, which is B, is ọ bụ nke unu. That is, it belongs to you all. That's what I said before. The next one is which is singular. Ọ bụ nke gị. That is, it belongs to you. Now, I have another one, which is ha. Ha is the plural maker of o or o. Let's look at it here. Ha dị ogologo, they are tall. Ọ dị ogologo, he or she is tall, or it is tall. Now I want to put it. Just repeat the video as often as possible for you to get more. Then this one here is ha riri nri. They ate food, which is what? Plural. O riri nri, he or she ate food, which is what? The singular. O riri nri means what? Singular. Ha riri nri means what? Plural. Now let's look at using some independent words with other words. That means site n'iji mkpụrụ okwu ụfọdụ kwụrụ onwe ha na mkpụrụ okwu ndị ọzọ. We have words like ụmụ, ndị, and ndia are used to form plurals in Igbo language. So, ụmụ, ndị, ndia are used to form plurals in Igbo language. Okay, let's go further. We have examples here. Ụmụ is the plural of nwa. Yes, that's true. Ụmụ is plural of what? Nwa. Alright. We have ụmụ akwụkwọ, which means what? Student. Nwa akwụkwọ, which means what? Okay. Ụmụ akwụkwọ means students. That S. That is plural. Why? Nwa akwụkwọ, which means student, which is a singular person. Have the next one, which is B. Ụmụ anụmanụ, which means what? Animals. Nwa anụmanụ, which means animal or child of animal. Alright? Okay, the she part of it is ụmụ mmadụ, which means human beings. The next one is mmadụ, which is what? Human being. Alright, singular and plural there. The D part of it is ụmụ nnụnụ, which is what? Birds. The next one is the singular part of it is nwa nnụnụ, which means bird or child of bird, that's something. And the next one is ụmụaka, which means is a plural form, which is children. Then the singular form is nwata, which is what? Child. And the next one is ụmụ nwoke, which is what? Males, means males. While the singular form of it is nwa nwoke, which is what? Male. Alright, we are getting it now. The next one is ụmụ nwanyị, which means females. Then the singular form of it is nwa nwanyị, which is what? Female. Alright, you can see the S and the one without what? S in English form. And the next one, we use ndi, with it in plural and the singular form. The plural form is what? Ndị nkuzi. In English, it's called teachers. The singular form is onye nkuzi. In English, it's called teacher. Then look at the B part of it. Ndị ọrụ, which means workers. Okay, onye ọrụ, which means worker. As a singular part of it. Okay. We still have more of it. We have ndị ọchịchị, which means what? Politicians. That is the plural part of it. Onye ọchịchị, which means politician. Now have the next one, which is ndị ohi. That means thieves. That is the plural part of it. We have onye ohi. That means what? Thief. The singular part of it. We have ndị ara. Ndị ara, which means mad people. We have another one, which is onye ara, mad person. Alright, this. We have ndị enyi, which means friends, plural. Have enyi, which means a friend, singular. We have ndị ọkaikpe, which means judges, plural. We have onye ọkaikpe, which means a judge, singular. We still have ndia, which is these. This is what? Plural. We have nka, which means this, which is the singular. Alright, so moving further, we'll be looking at, we say, by saying the name of something twice, site n'ịkpọ ihe aha ugboro abụọ, mentioning the noun or object in question twice is another way of showing pluralization in Igbo language. Alright? We have an example here. A. Ihe Maazị Obika nwere n'azụ ụlọ ya bụ ewu. What Mr. Obika has at his backyard are goats. Ihe Maazị Obika nwere n'azụ ụlọ ya bụ ewu ewu. So it's called what? It is plural. By saying the name of something twice, you are making it to be what? Plural. The B part of it is oche oche bụ ihe dị n'ime ụlọ ahụ. The next one is ihe o nwere bụ akwụkwọ ọgụgụ. That is what? Plural. Making the sentence to be in plural form. The next one bụ anụ ewu ahụ bụ ọkpụkpụ. Alright. The last one there is ihe m zụtara n'ahịa ahụ bụ iko. So we are making it to be the sentence to be in plural form. Alright. We now have this one which we called ụzọ ndị ọzọ esi emebe ụbara n'asụsụ Igbo. That is other ways of forming plurals in Igbo language. Now, this one is site n'iji ngwa ụfọdụ. That is by using some verb. So you can use some verb to form plural in Igbo language. We have an example here, joro. Let's see how we use joro to form plural. Mmadụ jụrụ na juru, not joro, juru. Mmadụ juru na be ya. You can see the English format there. The next one is jupụtara, which means osisi jupụtara n'ime ọhịa ahụ. Alright. The next one is fọjuru. Ihe a fọjuru n'akpa ahụ bụ akwụkwọ. Okay. Tinyechara, which means onye ọbụla tinyechara aka n'efere ahụ. Then another way of forming a plural is site n'iji mkpụrụ okwu ụfọdụ dị n'ọnọdụ mkpokọta. That is by using some words that are qualifiers. Okay, example of there is ọtụtụ. Now let's see. Ọtụtụ mmadụ bịara ụlọ akwụkwọ taa. You see it? They use it to form plural sentence. So you can say it in English. The next one is ụfọdụ. So ụfọdụ mmadụ abịaghị ụlọ akwụkwọ n'oge. So you can see there. Mirikiti, that is, mirikiti mmadụ nwụrụ n'ihe mberede okporo ụzọ ahụ. You can see it in English. Niile, mmadụ niile kwuru otu ihe ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ. That is, mmadụ niile kwuru otu ihe ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ. Alright. Ejima. Nne Chika mụrụ ejima. Ejima is twin. As you can see it in English there. Nnukwu, let's send a sentence. Nnukwu mmiri zoro n'abalị. Nnukwu mmiri zoro n'abalị. Alright. Thank you very much. Okay, this is where we'll call it a day. Continue in our next class. Alright. Thank you very much.